Wanna know how to fix your login error of your Messenger app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. Today, I'll teach you 3 of the ways to fix your login error. The very first one is to go to your Play Store or App Store. Tap on the Search for Apps and Games option. Insert here Messenger. Search for this particular app. Tap on the particular app. You will get an option of update if you haven't updated your app yet. So check if your app is updated. On the right, there will be an option of update. Tap on update and make your app updated. This could be the very first reason of you facing the login error on your Messenger app, and I'm sure that it will work. The second one is to go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down, tap on apps below battery and performance. Tap on manage apps below system app settings. Tap on the search bar on the top. Insert here Messenger. On the bottom, you have 3 of the options: force stop, uninstall, and clear data. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache below clear all data. Tap on OK. Just by doing it, you have successfully removed all of the cache of this particular app. And this has made Messenger totally fresh and healthy to use it back again, which could be the second reason of you facing the login error. And I hope it will definitely work. And the third one is to tap on this app and make it uninstall. And tap on uninstall and go back to Play Store and then install this particular app once again. So reinstalling this app could fix your problem as well. And this was the third one to solve your login error. So I hope this video will really help you. I have just told you 3 of the ways to do it. I'm sure it will definitely work. So go back and try all of the 3 ways. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.